Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today, we are going to continue lesson number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Let's start. Children, today we are going to learn division. This is Dolma. She took a loan from her friend to buy a moped for rupees 9,588. She had to pay this loan back in equal amounts every month for 6 months. Now the question is, how much will she have to pay every month? Now this Dolma had 2 children. She asked her both the children to calculate. Dolma's daughter calculated in this way: 9,588 divided by 6. So 6 500s is 3,000. So minus it. Remainder is 6,588. Then again 6 500s is 3,000. Subtract it. So answer is 3,588. Again 6 500s is 3,000. So now the remainder is 588. Now 6 90s is 540. Subtract it. So the difference is 48. Now 6 8s is 48. So the remainder becomes 0. Dolma's son calculated this way. Now you are supposed to complete it. 6,000 is 6,000. Find the difference. It is 3,588. 6 500s is 3,000. Find the difference. It is 588. 6 90s is 540. Difference is 48. Then 6 8s is 48. So the remainder becomes 0. So Dolma's daughter got the answer as 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 90 plus 8 gives 1,598. Dolma's son got the answer as 1,000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 8 gives 1,598. So both of them got the same answers. Dolma will have to pay rupees 1,598 every month for 6 months to complete the loan amount. Practice time A. 4,228 divided by 4. So take first one digit. It is divisible by 4. 4 ones is 4. Find the difference. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, take 2 down. Now 2 is not divisible by 4. So 4 zeros is 0. Find the difference. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then take this 2 down. Now 4 5s is 20. Find the difference. 22 minus 20 is 2. Then take this 8 down. 4 7s is 28. So find the difference. 28 minus 28 is 0. And the quotient, that is answer, is 1057. B. 770 divided by 22. First take 7. 7 is not divisible by 22. So take the next digit also, that is 77. Now 22 3s are is 66. Find the difference. So 7 minus 6 is 1. This 7 minus 6 is 1. Now take this 0 down. Now 22 5s are is 110. Find the difference. It will be 0. Here the quotient is 35. C. 9872 divided by 8. First consider the digit 9. 9 is divisible by 8. 8 ones are is 8. Find the difference between 9 and 8. 1. Now put this 8 down. So 8 twos are is 16. Find the difference. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now put this 7 down. 8 threes are is 24. 27 minus 24 is 3. Now put this 2 down. 8 fours are is 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. The quotient is 1234. D. 672 divided by 21. First consider the first digit, that is 6. 6 is not divisible by 21. So consider second digit also, that is 67. Now 21 threes are is 63. Find the difference. 67 minus 63 is 4. Put this 2 down. 21 twos are is 42. Find the difference. The remainder will be 0. And the quotient, that is answer, is 32. E. 772 divided by 7. Consider first digit. 7 ones are is 7. Find the difference. It is 0. Put this 7 down. Again 7 ones are is 7. Find the difference. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now put this 2 down. Now this 2 is not divisible by 7. So write 7 zeros are is 0. Find the difference. 2 minus 0 is 2. So remainder will be 2. And the quotient is 110. F. 639 divided by 13. First consider the digit 6. 6 is not divisible by 13. So consider second digit also. So we will consider 63. Now 13 fours are is 52. Find the difference. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now put this 9 down. 13 nines are is 117. Find the difference. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. This 1 minus 1 is 0. So the remainder is 2, whereas the quotient, that is answer, is 49. How many times? 976 children are going on a picnic. They will be taken to the picnic in a minibus, as shown in the figure. If 25 children can go in one bus, means 25 children fit in one bus, then how many buses do they need so that 976 children can fit? Now 2 children out of this have solved the sums. Check whether they have made mistake or they have done correctly. Now let us see this sum solved by first child. 25 divided by 976. 25 5s is 125. Find the difference. 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 25 10s is 250. Now find the difference. 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0 and 8 minus 2 is 6. Next 25 10s again is 250. Find the difference. So 601 minus 250 gives 351. Now again 25 10s is 250. Find the difference. 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 25 4s gives 100. Find the difference. 1 minus 0 is 1. But here cross is put. Means the remainder is 0. But it is wrong. Remainder comes as 1. So the first child has forgotten to write the remainder of 1. But the quotient, that is the answer, is right. That is 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 gives 39. So according to the first child, 39 buses are needed. Now second child perform the division using this method. 25 20s is 500. And now find the difference. 976 minus 500. Now here it is written 4767. But the difference is wrong. So now whole division will be wrong. Second child has performed wrong division. So correct division is as follows. 25 divided by 976. 25 20s is 500. Find the difference. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 25 10s is 250. Find the difference. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 25 5s is 125. Find the difference. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 25 4s is 100. Now find the difference. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. So, number of buses needed is 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 4. That is 39 buses will be needed. How much petrol? Children, this is Isha. Isha is a girl. She has rupees 1000 with her. She wants to buy petrol. 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 67. How many liters can she buy with rupees 1000? Answer. It is given that cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 67. Then how much petrol can be bought for rupees 1000? Children, cross multiply and divide. So 1000 multiplied by 1 is 1000 itself divided by 67. So here we have done 1000 divided by 67. So 67 ones is 67. Find the difference. So 100 minus 67 is 33. Put this 0 down. Now 67 4s is 268. Now find the difference between 330 and 268. The remainder comes out to be 62. So Isha can buy 14 liters of petrol and rupees 62 will be left with her. Find out if Isha comes to your city, how much petrol can she buy with the same money, that is with rupees 1000? Answer, children, in my city, that is Dharmaj, the cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 90. Then how much petrol can be bought for rupees 1000? Using cross multiply and divide. I cross multiply 1000 with 1. Now any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. So I got 1000. Then I divide it with 90. So 1000 divided by 90 we will do. So 90 ones are is 90. Now 100 minus 90 is 10. Now put this 0 down. Again 90 ones are is 90. Now again find the difference. So 100 minus 90 is 10. So if Isha comes to my city, that is Dharmaj, then Isha can buy 11 liters of petrol and rupees 10 will be left with her. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.